Unlocking hope. The power of positivity. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very uplifting and motivational phrase that you might have heard quite often in English. There's always hope. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a beacon of encouragement and resilience. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and why it's so powerful in conveying optimism. There's always hope is a phrase that resonates deeply with the idea that no matter how difficult, challenging, or dire a situation might seem, there is always a possibility for a positive outcome. It's a reminder to not give up, even when things look bleak. This phrase carries with it an inherent optimism, suggesting that future possibilities are always worth believing in. To better understand how "there's always hope" can be used, let's look at some examples from everyday life. During personal challenges, whether someone is dealing with a tough exam, a job interview, or personal issues, reminding them that there's always hope can provide comfort and the strength to continue. In the wider world, in times of global crises or societal issues, this phrase helps people remember that solutions and better days are possible. For language learners specifically, this phrase is a beautiful example of how language can be used to uplift and inspire. Learning a new language is a journey filled with ups and downs. Remembering that there's always hope can motivate you to overcome obstacles and continue improving. It's a testament to the power of perseverance and optimism in the learning process. Incorporating "there's always hope" into your vocabulary can have a profound impact. Use it to encourage yourself and others during tough times. Express solidarity and optimism when someone shares their challenges with you. Highlight the potential for positive change in discussions about global or local issues. I hope this video has illuminated the significance and power of the phrase, "there's always hope." It's more than just words, it's a guiding principle that can help us navigate through life's challenges. Remember, no matter how dark it gets, there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Keep learning, keep striving, and never lose hope. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.